Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yesterday I explained about how you can promote ClickBank products and how you can make your landing page. So hopefully you make your landing page and get the hook links. And now today I will explain you how you can email to your customer and how you can set your autoresponder. Right now, you just need to go on Google, open your ClickBank account. I have already my account on ClickBank, so log in. Again, I will go to affiliate marketplace. Yesterday I explained about keto diet and we get the link and we made landing page, right? Today I will again explain how you can email to your customer and how you set your autoresponder, right? So again I will choose health and fitness, and here we go. There is custom keto diet, so you are looking, there is custom keto diet, so below there is affiliate page, right? You need to click this page. You will see another browser, and this is affiliate marketer tools from keto diet, right? So in the bottom of the page you need to go connect. Here we go. You will see this is your affiliate tools, and but there is your banners, social media, lead magnet, landing page from keto diets, right? So they have also give you videos. You just need to take from their banner, social media or videos or landing page and just promote into your social media account, right? Now I will explain you about keto diet emails marketing, right? Now I will get here from email swipe. Click on to email swipe. It would be download. Yes, this is your email swipes. So open the emails. This is email templates from keto diet, right? So we will copy these emails and paste into our autoresponder, into get response, and send into your customers. I have no account, that's why it's making problem. I don't want. Okay, my friends, you are seeing there is email swipe. This is email template from keto diet, and they mention subject lines. They are giving you 3 email templates. You can choose your subject line: 8 science based benefit of going keto, and is the keto diet right for you? Can the keto diet benefit for you? So this is a subject and this is body, right? And you need to just copy every detail about the keto diet is inside the email swipe, right? So you just need to copy here, complete copy the email, and here we go. That's it. So you need to copy, right? And now I will move into get response. Yesterday we make a landing page of keto diet, and now I will show you how you can promote keto diet through email marketing and how you can set your autoresponder, right? I have already my account there. So again, next and exit. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to create newsletter, and you need to put the name of email. You can say keto diet email, right? You need to give the name. And here is linked list. Yesterday we make a list of keto diet, so I will put the name here, Kamal. And now there is your email address which will show when customer get email, right? So my email address, and put the subject there, and also add the participant here. Here would become the list participant, right? The person in your list, it would become here. I have different list. I will add the Kamal. So in the Kamal there is no one there, so that's why I'm just giving you example. So add it. Suppose if we have 10, 20, 100, 1000 customer, so you just need to update recipient and design message, and go to blank template, use one column, yes, and you need to remove logo. It's depend on you if you want to show logo or not. So delete this. Again, go back to layout, image, text. Okay friends, I paste the email here in get response in newsletter. So this is email from Keto Diet. So in first name would become customer, and this is email, right? And I will show you how you can put link into email. So in this place you need to put your affiliate link, right? So first go to again marketplace. This is marketplace, right? And promote keto diet, and don't forget to put your account name, generate hook links, and copy it, right? And again go back to get response, and you can, so you need to select it, and this is sign to insert link, right? Now here you will paste the link and insert, and this is your name. So my name is Norina. So this is your email swipe, and again you need to put link there, right? So again you need to put link here, keto diet link, right? So again paste it and update, and now you need to go next, right? Okay, so this is email name, and this is already I told you. So don't forget to choose your link list, right? Yesterday we make link list. And again this is email. I don't think so anything is difficult for you. I already explained everything. So make sure to test email, and I will send to my email. Okay, so this is option. You need to send immediately, and you can also schedule for later. So whenever you ready, you can send this email. It's totally up to you. So schedule and send it. So you can see how many people open this email and send another email. So let's move on to autoresponder. So again, go to dashboard. You will see there is autoresponder, right? And create autoresponder. So again, keto diet. Linked list is your conval, and day 1, it's totally up to you. And this is setting of autoresponder, right? And this is your business email ID. And again, subject, how to lose weight with keto diet, right? And there is also in email swipe there is subject line, so you can copy it and paste it here. So again, there is design message. So we already created, right? So what will we do? My templates, and select this. Right, so this is email which is right. We so copy content, and here we go. See, this is email we did. Now next, and this email would be your first email autoresponder. When someone enter into your landing page, leave his name or email address, and when he leave email name or email address, and see your setting in day 1, he will receive this email, right? And you need to save and publish. That's it. This is autoresponder. Hopefully you guys, you understand about how you can send emails to your customer and how you can set your autoresponder. If you like more information about how you can make money online, just go to description, click the link 15 days challenge. And also if you want to use get response, click the link in get response and use how you can make your landing page and how you can use email marketing and autoresponder. um, and if you need more help, just drop a comment in down below. And thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.